Well worth coming over from Australia for, wasn't it? Yeah. Brilliant, absolutely superb.
Yeah, fantastic. They've done great out here, haven't they?
Oh, cracking. Even the young lads for that last 20 minutes did very well.
What did you make of the game?
City had us at the first half. Should have scored that penalty, but they didn't, and we weren't great.
What do you make of that then, Asia Trophy champions?
What more can you do? Mate?
It's what we came for.
It's what we're here for.
Absolutely.
And it's been such a success, hasn't it, this tour?
Certainly has. And the youngsters, second half youngsters, they've just played well, really well.
Yeah, we deserve that. Yeah, it is a very tough game. Yeah, City has a lot of attack, and we do well in our defense, and we finally win in the penalties.
Exactly. Yeah, you can't ask more. A bunch of lads, well worth the trip.
And they've got the name and the brand out in Asia now, and it's been very successful, hasn't it?
Excellent, very good.
Yeah. I think the second half we were much better. First half we looked a bit disjointed. Touches weren't going how we wanted to do, but second half.
We sorted it for the second.
A few people saying Nuno might have made changes, but he wanted to win this, didn't he?
He did. Yeah.
He did make changes,
And
but only towards the end.
It's another step on the journey.
Do you think Wolves can be as big as Manchester City's and Liverpool's and Manchester United?
Yeah, of course we can. Yeah, we are the best. We are the champion.
Yeah, and now obviously translate that hopefully onto Thursday night in European football.
The start of the biggest thing since I've been supporting them.
I mean, can you quite believe it, where you were 4 or 5 years ago and on the verge of League One football, and now you're in Shanghai and European football next week?
Derby and Stoke last year, Shanghai this year.